This video is fully suggestion based. The people who wanna do online business or e-commerce business, this video is very fruitful or beneficial for those ones. I think so. In current era, if I say this era is totally belong to digital, or we can say it the age of digitalization, this thing would not be wrong. Any person who has an idea or who is looking his future, who is looking his career in online or e-commerce business, I suggest them only for models which can be adopted as a fully for models, or anyone, any 2-3 models can be adopted by his or him, through which he can get a fruitful amounts by online business. First one is retail arbitrage. Second model is dropshipping. Third model is dropshipping from Amazon. And the fourth model is wholesale business. The people who maximum focus on the online business, I think so. First of all, they must pay attention towards the retail arbitrage, and the second one is dropshipping, because of there is no loss in these two models, and the people who start their online business as well as their e-commerce business from these two models, they can learn a lot in the initial or at the beginning stage. So I suggest the newly beginners, the people who are beginning or their business in the very initial stages, they must adopt first and second model, that is retail arbitrage, and the second one is drop shipping. Thank you.